Today I'm in Bonifacio Global City and I'm about to go look at a couple condominiums in the area and hopefully find something that's a good rental. First we'll take a tour around the neighborhood, then we'll take a look at two very nice apartments. I'm about to look at an apartment in the Forbeswood Heights building, and this is the neighborhood surrounding the building. I saw a lot of nice shops and restaurants very close by. Do a quick walk by the building here. There's 6 towers. It's in a great location. We're right in the heart of the BGC area, with lots of housing options all around. This building is located in the west area of Bonifacio Global City. In my opinion, this is the best neighborhood to stay in, but the quality and convenience comes with a higher cost. I'm making a 1-block loop around the building that I'm looking at as a potential rental, and the neighborhood's very nice. A lot of restaurants around here. There's an art museum back here, fast food, elegant dining, so just about everything you need is very close by. Here's the front entrance of Forbeswood Heights. Security there. And across the street is 8 Forbestown Road. This is Robinson's Mall here. True Value Hardware right here on the corner. Having a Robinson's across the road would be very handy. They have most things you might need. This is just outside of the building, downstairs from the building. There's a lot of nice stores and restaurants all around here. Let's take a look at the prices here. Ramen, it's around 400. So about $8 US. Rice bowls are a little cheaper. The restaurants on both sides of the street here. I'm sure in the evening it's quite a nice place to grab a meal. Here's Spanish food and wine. Bottles of wine, 1,200. Well, there's a 5,000 bottle, but mini bottles for under 1,000. See what an entree cost us. Salads for 220, soups for 300, and the meals starting out around 400 and going up from there. There are a lot of condominium options in this area, and it's a very high-end district. This is probably the most expensive area in the city, but it does have a lot of options for food, wide variety of eating establishments, and a lot of nice shopping too. Here's a coffee bean and tea leaf in the neighborhood. I often will grab a medium latte and a light breakfast here for about $5. And over here's Pancake House, open 24 hours a day if you want an American breakfast. Here's Yellow Cab Pizza. They've got a slice starting at $109. So that's about $2 and 2 pizzas for $500. So that's a pretty good deal. I heard how bad the traffic was here in Manila, and maybe that geared me up for expecting it to be a lot worse than it is. It is not good. At rush hour, it is gridlock, and it can take a while to get somewhere, but right now you can see it's the middle of the day, and you could get around, especially if you're on a motorbike. It wouldn't be hard to get around this area. It's a nice museum in this neighborhood also. I'm making a 1-block loop around the building that I'm looking at, and here's a Jollibee, so very close walking distance to a Jollibee. There's also a McDonald's over here, so all your fast food needs could be met within a very short distance. I don't usually eat fast food, but good to know if you do want something. It's here and available. There's McDonald's drive-through just ahead of us. Anytime Fitness also across the street. I'm guessing this unit will also have a workout area within the building. We'll take a look. Here's the front entrance. Hello, security. This is the outside of the buildings. There's a breezeway and a tennis court in between the buildings. There's 6 towers here. Very white.
Yes. Sir, this is facing golf course. Yes.
Oh, okay, facing the golf course. A nice dinner table or work area. Got a living room, couch. The flat screen TV.
48 square meters.
48 square meters, okay.
Yes.
That's a good size. And a nice view of the golf course between the two buildings. So not a bad view.
The bedroom, sir, has already a nice view also.
Okay.
It's nice.
Nice bedroom.
Actually, sir, this is new renovated.
Newly renovated, yeah. I can see it's got very fresh paint.
And this is the
High
bathroom.
ceiling. And so, yeah, it does have a very nice view.
Yes. This is 45,000 only. It's a good deal, sir.
45,000.
Yes, it has a balcony.
And does not include electricity?
It includes as of juice, but not electricity.
Okay.
We'll be going to be there.
And has Wi-Fi?
I asked them.
Okay.
And this is the kitchen.
Okay, so little shower. Okay, 45,000.
Here's the kitchen.
And here's the kitchen. Storage.
Yes, the storage.
Okay. I can find the light. Ah, washer and dryer. Here's the light. And a nice sink. All right, very good. Is there a gym and swimming pool
Yes,
in the
yes,
building?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Here's the tennis court. So 45,000 for that unit I just looked at. It was on the 21st floor. One thing I did notice is by having 6 buildings here, it does have a lower density, so the elevators didn't take long to get up and down. That's kind of nice. 1-bedroom apartments in Forbes Wood Heights start as low as 25,000 pesos. A nicely furnished apartment will likely be between 30 and 35,000 pesos. 5-star quality apartments with a good view are above 40,000 Philippine pesos. Nice big swimming pool. There's an outdoor changing room for the swimming pool. From 9 a.m. till 10 p.m.
The view is so nice.
Yeah, that's a nice view, yeah. Gym. Yeah. Okay. Dumbbells. Bench. Bellagio Tower 1. That building right there. Nice pick-up and drop-off area. There's the building. Hello, sir. Huh?
Let's go. Okay. 40. Oh!
Nice desk area.
There's no tenants here.
And couch with a Sanyo flat screen TV. It's quality. A small stereo system. Very good view of the golf course. It's foggy today. It's been a rainy day here, so I can't see what the view is far away. But I think the view is fairly decent down at the swimming pool.
This is this show house.
Oh yeah, some extra storage. That's good. Large master bedroom. Another desk. A little tiny TV set in this room. Another view here. 2 air conditioners. I can feel it's already cold. Closet, high ceilings, ceiling fan. Okay, nice sink. Marble top. Good cabinets, plenty of storage, and a nice shower. Oh, here's more closet space. Look at the kitchen. Nice. Okay, the gym area. It's got a nice a little nicer than the last gym. And there's a game room with a pool table. And a dartboard. And there's a game room with a pool table and dartboard. skateboard. It started raining on us. The other angle of the pool. There's a nice swimming pool. This neighborhood is also a very short walk to Bonifacio High Street. Make sure to subscribe so you will be notified about other great places to visit. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like. For more tours and information about visiting and living in the Philippines, please subscribe and click the bell so you will be notified when the next video is up.